Hi entrepreneurs and web building enthusiasts, and welcome to Web Builders for Beginners. It's been a long dream of mine to build a course that makes web building accessible to everybody. Web building takes into account two main principles. The first is web design, and this is taking shapes, images, font type, color, and making something that looks visually interesting. The second is user experience. And now user experience is taking all of these designs and all of these ideas and making them work in a browser so that your users can navigate through your website properly. We'll cover all of this and much more in this self-led e-course. Throughout the journey with us, we will be using the most popular web building tool out there. Now, it is believed that over 40% of all websites are now built using this tool, and this tool is WordPress. In this course, you shall expect to learn the following: basics to web design, introduction to graphic design as well, and how to lay out your websites, wireframing so that you can build these websites and lay them out and map them, the fundamentals of branding and how to make your website look visually interesting, and finally, what software to use and how to do it all so that you build a website for free. So my goal here is to teach you all the fundamentals that you will need to build and maintain your website going into the future. Now, this will enable you to maintain your website without paying thousands to hire a developer to do it for you. By the end of this course, you will have built a professional looking website for either yourself or your business, so that visitors can see you online, visit you and interact with you. My favorite thing about this course is that we use a free page builder called Elementor. Now, Elementor is great because they have great customer service, but the best thing about them is that their page builder tool eliminates all the need for coding. Their drag and drop page builder will allow you to make beautiful looking websites in minutes. This course is for complete beginners and no previous knowledge of web building is required. Say you've never built a website before and you've got no previous graphic design experience, well, this course is the course for you. Alternatively, if you've used free website builders like Wix or Squarespace and haven't really been getting out of it what you want, and you're ready to take your web building skills to the next level, this course will help you achieve that and much more. Maybe you're a graphic designer and you've done a lot of branding, you've got experience designing websites and then sending them off to a developer, and you're looking to take your business to the next level and you're unsure of how to approach a web building project like this, then stop crawling around YouTube for answers that may or may not be right, and let's jump into this course. We've even chucked in some great features like how to get a firewall for your website and increase your website security, as well as simple contact forms so that when your customer fills it out and interacts with you online, it starts building a database for you. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and I'll see you inside.